Hello viewers, welcome to this session. Today we will learn artificial selection evolution topic, zoology subject. This is from Dr. K. Sivaprasad, lecturer in zoology, SVSC Government Degree College, Sulurpeta, Sri Potti Sri Ramulu, Nellore district. Artificial selection, a process in which humans are the selective agents. Artificial selection, Charles Darwin recognized artificial selection exercised by human beings as the commonest method for improving the races of domestic animals and cultivated plants and produce new varieties. He presumed that if new races could be developed by artificial selection, the same is possible in nature. Artificial selection by animal breeders and plant breeders. Darwin, familiar with the selection practice carried out by plant and animal breeders for certain desirable traits in domesticated plants and animals. Darwin himself was a pigeon breeder and he knew that the diversity in color, size, form, and behavior in pigeons could be achieved by breeders by artificial selection. He saw close parallelism between artificial selection by breeders and selection in nature. Close parallelism between natural selection and artificial selection by controlling breeding natural selection for several generations. Many new varieties of plants and new species, races of breeders of domesticated animals have developed. New races of dogs, horse, pigeons, poultry, sheep, pigs, goats, etc. have been developed by man by artificial selection. If man can produce new varieties in a short time, nature with more time and vast resources can easily produce new species by selection. Learning objectives. In this session, we will learn the following objectives, that is, we learn definition of artificial selection, to understand the phenomena of artificial selection, to identify the species generated through artificial selection, and different types of species generated through artificial selection and its illustrations, we will learn in this session. History of artificial selection. Charles Darwin coined the term selective breeding, noted that many domesticated animals and plants used the term artificial selection twice in the 1859 first edition of this work on the origin of species. Charles Darwin published his book 24th November 1859. This book is considered to be foundation of evolutionary biology. This first page, cover page of this book, printed in London, John Murray, Alban Street, 1859. The cover page is shown here. Origin of Species by Means of Natural Selection by Charles Darwin. Another important person, the first foremost person, Robert Bakewell, a British agriculturist, and he implemented a selective breeding in livestock. He is the important person in United States. Norman Ernest Borlaug, he coined the term Green Revolution. He is American agronomist, extensively increased in agriculture production, specifically wheat. He developed different high yielding varieties. M.S. Swaminathan, Manakumbu Sambaswan Swaminathan is an Indian genetist, father of India Green Revolution. He also developed so many rice varieties in India. Definition of selective breeding, artificial selection. Selective breeding is the process by which humans use animal breeding and plant breeding to selectively develop particular phenotypic traits or characters. Breeding strategies. The breeder should identify and select desirable qualities in animals for mating, discard the unwanted characters. Breeding makes new combination or sequencing of genes. Selected breeding system, selected males and females are mated. Breeding methods: inbreeding, outbreeding. Closely related individuals are mated. Unrelated individuals are mated. Purebred. Animals have a single recognizable character. Animals has a single recognizable breed is called purebred. Pedigreed. Purebreds with recorded lineage is called pedigreed. Mixed breeds mixed several types of characters called mixed breeds. Purebred breeding aims to establish and maintain stable traits, and animals will pass to the next generation. Breed registry, breeding the best of the best, culling and selection for superior qualities. Plant breeding, high yielding and drought resistant varieties important in agriculture, carrot, wheat, tomato, etc. So many examples are there. India had nearly 1,10,000 varieties of rice. Now only 6,000 species are varieties of rice. Notified rice varieties in Andhra Pradesh only 145 rice varieties. Rice varieties of Andhra Pradesh, Karnool are Sona Masuri, Malagulukulu, జీలకర్ర సన్నాలు, పూసా బాస్మతి రైస్, లాంగ్ గ్రెయిన్, Sugandha Basmati, IR20, etc. So many varieties of rice are available in Andhra Pradesh. Examples of plant hybrids: grape, Vitis rotundifolia; coconut, Cocos nucifera; apple, Malus domestica; tomato, Solanum lycopersicum; wheat, Triticum aestivum; maize, Giamese. These are the some of the examples of hybrid plant hybrids. Next, selective breeding in aquaculture is very important. It is high yielding varieties are nowadays. It is high yielding varieties are developed. The growth rate is faster, very faster growth rate is very essential. Survival rate also important. Long survival rate, the density of the survival also important. Meat quality is high and best quality. Age at sexual maturation, it is early maturation is very essential. Fecundity, fecundity ability to produce an abundance of offspring is also important. These are the main traits to establish the selective breeding in aquaculture. Some of the examples of aquaculture products: Atlantic salmon, rainbow trout, Chavo salmon, cyprinids, common carp, channel catfish, peanut shrimps, Lithopenes trilobites, Lithopenes venami. Selective breeding in livestock. Livestock word was first used in 1650 and 1660. Livestock is domesticated animals raised in an agriculture setting of produce, labor, and commodities such as meat, egg, milk, fur, leather, and wool, etc. These are very useful for human being. The best domesticated animal is dog. The dog was domesticated 15,000 years ago. Goats and sheep 11,000 and 5,000 years ago. Pigs 8,500 years ago. Horse around 4,000 BC. Cattle 10,500 years ago. Chicken and other poultry pro 7,000 BC. Some of the dog breeds 4 100 above breeds in India. Jonangi Jagilam or Kolleti Jagilam is an Indian dog breed majorly found in separated state of Andhra Pradesh and also in some parts of Karnataka and all along east coast from West Bengal to Tamil Nadu. This is common. 400 above breeds in India. The Rajpalam, also known as the Polygar Hound or Indian Ghost Hound, is southern Indian dog breed, particularly in its Namasake town of Rajpalam in the Virudhar district of Tamil Nadu. It is very, very important. It is a very famous dog in Rajpalam, Tamil Nadu. Some of the livestock animals, poultry and animal husbandry regarding Kadaknath, Asil, Murray, Jafarbadi, Sahilwal, Red Sinti, Amrit Mahal, Halikar. These are the example. The Merino, sheep, horse, donkey. The breeding between donkey and horse will get mule, female horse and male donkey, and male horse and female donkey will get hinni. The naming of hybrid animals depend on the sex and species of the parents. The father giving the first half of his species the name, and the name of the mother the second half. For example, we should see here zebra and donkey. We should get Janki. The first zebra is male, the second donkey is female. We should get Janki here, showing here. Male lion and female tiger, we should get liger here. Camel and llama, we should get Kama here. Male tiger and female lion, we should get Tigon here. Male goat and female sheep, we should get Jeep here. This is what we should get hybrid animals and nomenclature according this. Advantages of artificial selection: direct way to determine a specific trait. It is easier to understand than sibling analysis. Better for traits such as physiology and behavior. Disadvantages: a single experiment cannot be used to assess an entire group, and individual experiments must be done for every individual trait. Experiments to require maintaining the organisms tested in a lab or greenhouse, because it is in controlled group, will maintain in controlled situations, control environment. That is why we should mention a single experiment. We cannot say we cannot simulate entire group or cannot assess the entire group. These are the disadvantages we will have for selective or artificial breeding. Conclusion: artificial selection lead to rapid evolution of specific traits, and population structure had effect on the nature and extent of heritable variation. Selecting offspring with desirable traits as breeding stock for succeeding generation and generation. It is so many generations we will get at least one successful character from one specific species. Alteration of species through artificial selection, then environment have similar effect on wild species. So gradually wild species are declined due to lack of their conservation. The wild species may disappear once. This is the artificial selection.